I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review and showcase videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing off and unboxing this Gorilla Cart's 7 cubic foot poly dump cart. So, we're going to get right to it. It's going to be an unboxing video, and we're also going to try to assemble in this video. So, as I open it, I can explain our sort of rationale for getting this. And as I'm opening it, you can also get a look at what the box looks like. You know, it has pretty standard information about the Gorilla Carts. You know, it has a max load capacity of 1,200 pounds, volume of 7 cubic feet, bed size is 40 inches by 27 inches, you know, poly material, and it has information about the wheels, as well as some features about it. The fact that it's towable, which is something I'll talk about in a bit, has some stability. Wow, that always happens in one of my videos. Has 0-point turning, and overall it's just a very heavy duty cart. So this is the view that you get as you open it. As you can tell, the box is very damaged. That's because we got it delivered from Home Depot for about $200. You can find it online on Amazon for about $300. And this is not the biggest size that it comes in. It also comes in 12 cubic foot sizes and also smaller sizes. Okay, so I'm going to try to lift this out. Okay. And this is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, nothing else is in the box. It's literally just this cart, and I assume that the wheels and all the hardware are going to be inside of this. Okay, so let's undo the straps and see what's on the inside. Okay, very simple, just peel straps. Okay. So the reason that we got these carts is because we're doing a lot of work in the backyard this summer. So I'm going to be home this summer and helping out, doing a lot of you know, fence repair and cleaning and reorganization. And these carts are going to be really helpful for lugging things around. We got, it's kind of similar to, you know, we have wheelbarrows, right? But wheelbarrows, you know, you got to do a lot of manual labor. And since I'm going to be spending the entire summer doing this, I want to be easy on my back, so it's a bit more sustainable for all the work that I'm going to be doing. Come on, take a look. Okay, so we have the chassis for the metal frame for the underside of the cart, and we have the pneumatic wheels. These are 13 inches supposedly, and for some reason these ones have a strap around them, while the other ones do not. But look at that, that is heavy duty. I think it's actually maybe very comparable to the wheelbarrow wheels, but you have 4 of them on this cart. Okay, so it looks like the metal frame already comes pretty much fully assembled. We'll see if there's, oh, no, it doesn't. There's these screw holes which indicate there definitely is some assembly to be done. And as for the screws, they come in this box here. Alright, so in this box we get the handle, I'm assuming. Yeah, the handle on this side. And then we get some bolt hardware. Very interesting bolts. I've never seen any bolts like these. I mean, they're literally just like carriage bolts, but just with a different head. These ones are cotter pins. Okay, so we're gonna try to assemble these, and it looks like they don't come with any tools included. So we're gonna have to get some tools, some hardware, so that we can assemble this all together. Okay. So this cart is towable, which means you can either use a handle to drag it by hand, or you can actually hook it up to a tractor. And we're gonna try to do that with our Cub Cadet, but not in this video. We're gonna save that for a different video, so go check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna lift the frame out of the box. I thought it was originally fully assembled at first, just because it looked like it was fully assembled because this part spun. But as far as assembling it goes, it looks like it'll be pretty straightforward. And I think that's one of the points that they said in the box, is that it's very simple assembly. There's nothing else inside the box except for a thank you card. And when we lift this out, let's see what the inside of the bed looks like. Okay. Pretty standard. Not sure if there's anything significant about the cart. Okay, so I think one of the most important things. Okay, give me a second. Our cats are always wanting attention. Hello. Want to go outside? Okay. I think we can let them outside for a bit. Oh! Let me go close the gate. Yeah, these guys are going to spend 5 minutes outside and then they're going to want to go back inside. They just want attention. But it's okay. They're a welcome addition to the video. Anyway, one of the most common questions that people ask when they get like a cart like this is, you know, they tell you specifications about the inside bed, but they're not entirely accurate. So first off, the inside of the bed is at the bottom, 21 inches by, at the least, the 31 or 32 inches, give or take. And yeah, 32. And there's like a bit of an extra of a divot here that gives another extra inch. At the top, it's about 23.5 inches by 36.5 inches, which increases a tiny bit with that divot. And you know, it has these indents for securing the bolts while you screw them, and these holes here for building up the sides of it. So far it looks pretty well engineered. It doesn't look like it's really like weak in any way. It feels really sturdy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So pretty standard part. We're gonna take our attention and put it towards assembly for now. So we have a few different parts. We have this main metal frame. This part, which is, as you can see, sort of a accompaniment to this side. So you can tell that this is the back side and this is the front side. Or at least this is the side that the handle attaches to. And then lastly, another part that sort of connects the two. So, according to the instructions, it's very simple. Literally only 7 steps. We're going to put on that first eye-shaped bar. You know, bolts, nuts, washers, pretty simple. Then we're going to put on the main frame. Then we're going to put on the last U-shaped frame. See, they want to go inside. They want to go back inside. Then we're going to put on the wheels. Flip it over. Put on the handle. And then we can, put on the place where the handle goes, and then optionally attach the handle. Okay, so I realized the assembly might be its own video, and when people search up my videos, they probably want to get straight to the content, so we're going to save the assembly for a different video. So we're going to end it off here. So far, first impression looks good. We're going to do a separate review. it's summer, it's okay. We're gonna do a separate review video, and in that we're also gonna do a video on how to attach it to a tractor. So go check those videos out. If you're curious on how to assemble it, we're gonna do the next video right after this. So I'm Aiman, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman. And I'll see you there. For now, I'm Aiman and signing out.